and access to justice, I propose to the National Assembly to effect budget allocation of Kenya shillings 41 billion for the Parliament and Kenya shillings 23.2 billion for the judiciary. Completion of planned projects, Mr. Speaker, in order to ensure the value for money and timely realization of budgets of benefits accruing from budgetary allocation and implementation of planned projects, ministries, departments, and agencies have identified projects for completion in the course of the financial year. The projects will be fast-tracked and protected from any adjustment. The National Assembly is requested to support this endeavor as this is consistent with the resolution of this House. Transfer of national government to county governments, Mr. Speaker. The county governments will receive a proposed allocation of 385.4 billion as equitable share for the financial year 2023-2024. This is 23% of the financial year 2019-2020 shareable revenue, which is the most recent audited and approved revenue by the National Assembly. This is above the minimum threshold required under Article 203, Section 2 of the Constitution. In addition, the county equitable share, the county governments will receive additional conditional and unconditional allocations amounting to 56.7 billion. This brings total allocation to the county governments in the financial year 2023-2024 to Kenya shillings 442.1 billion. Part of this include 425 million for the transfer of library services being a devolved function. Kenya shillings 2.9 billion as outstanding mineral royalties share to 32 county governments as stipulated in the Mining Act 2016, a consolidated grant of 100 million Kenya shillings per county for the aggregated industrial parks program, which is meant to assist the farmers in the value addition and market access for their products. The Midterm Equalization Fund, Mr. Speaker.